You must have seen in a lot of your GTs and many of you get back to me that ma'am ये वाला match the following हमसे नहीं हो पाता. Finally, coming to the last part, you have to analyze all the eggs and all the worms with me over here today. Please match the following eggs with their corresponding organisms. Let's start. I will label this as ABCD so that you can also tell me where do you want to mark H nana. H nana को हम mark करेंगे. H nana happens to be a cystode. So all the H nana cystode वाले eggs will be B. When I talk about D latum is STD pneumonica, operculated egg. So operculated egg matlab the one with the lid, that is going to be, okay, 1B, 2A. Enterobius we know is D-shape egg, so that is going to go for option D because those are the D-shape eggs. And Trichuris trichura looks like that barrel or dholak, so that is going to be option C. So now maybe you did not know all four, but even if you knew two also, then options तो हो जाएगा. So let us start. ये क्या क्या पढ़ा मैम हमने, एक बार सारे parasitology eggs पढ़ लेते हैं. So now in a little zoom in view you see the first one that you have, this is the egg which belongs to the family of cystodes. Okay, this belongs to cystodes. The way you write cis is the same way you write 6. So cystode family ka eggs will have something that is 6, and if you count little carefully, there are total 6 hooklets present in the exam. So 6 hooklet wala egg is going to be 6 cystode, and that is known as hexacanth embryo. It is a hexacanth egg. Okay, what else? Now first I will label, then I will write. I can see two polar projections over here. इसे कहते हैं polar knobs. And I can see some ganda material also over here. These are known as yolk granules. So you are going to see the presence of polar knobs and you are going to see the presence of yolk granules. Every cystode egg will have it. So name some cystodes for me, please. The cystode is going to be H nana. The cystode is going to be all the Taenia, Saginata, Solium wale log, right? These are going to be cystodes. But then there is an exception called H diminuta. H diminuta says I am not having all these. I will not have any polar knobs also. I will not have any yolk granules also. So look at it. Does it have those two polar knobs? It doesn't. Does it have that ganda yolk granules? Again, it doesn't. So that is going to be H diminuta. So all cystodes show you knobs and granules. H diminuta does not. कौन सा cystode रह गया? देखो H nana हो गया, Taenia, Saginata, Solium हो गया, H diminuta हो गया. I have not spoken about D latum, Diphyllobothrium latum, because that shows you the operculated egg. Operculated egg का क्या मतलब होता है? It means the egg which has a lid on top of it. एक छोटा सा covering वाला lid होगा, and that lid is said to be the operculated egg. So remember, operculated egg is going to be seen in STD. Yes, S for what? One parasite which is known as Spirometra. T for an entire family called trematodes, and D for Diphyllobothrium latum. So D latum से related, can you tell me one question? In medicine and in pathology, what is it that you have to know for D latum? Which anemia does it cause? It causes which anemia? Yes, which anemia? It causes B12 deficiency. When I say B12 deficiency, of course, we all know we are talking about megaloblastic anemia. It is going to be what? They say that B12 deficiency is happening because the ileum is getting affected. Ileum matlab D latum goes to which part of the intestine? Ileum में जाता है. Okay, so very good. I could see that. So operculated egg is seen in STD. All trematodes show operculated egg, but one trematode which I always taught you in rapid revision, वो SS वाला trematode, yes, that is going to be the, okay, so that is schistosoma. Perfect. These are the three schistosomas that we have in front of us. One is known as schistosoma. पहले वाला कौन सा लिखे? Ma'am, schistosoma mansoni. क्यों लिखे? Because man is sleeping. How will a man sleep? Man will sleep side, okay ना? तो side पे spine दिखेगा. The schistosomas, if you look carefully, the schistosomas are going to show you spines. ठीक है, but which kind of spine? What is the location of the spine? So the lateral spine is going to be लेटा हुआ सोता हुआ man. ठीक है, now we come to schistosoma hematobium. Schistosoma hematobium. So hematobium is going to show me terminal spine. Mansoni, sleeping man, lateral spine. Hematobium, terminal spine, and Japonicum. Japonicum, spineless. It hardly, I can't see a spine coming out. It is a rudimentary spine. What do the schistosomas cause? If you did not know, this is a specimen of the liver. Ma'am, it's not looking like the liver. They will tell me it's the liver, but it's not looking like the liver because it's showing you these white fibroses. In the liver, schistosoma tends to cause pipe stem fibrosis. In the liver, it tends to cause pipe stem fibrosis. Now coming to a question of path micro medicine correlate. When they talk about schistosoma, which is that cancer that it can cause? Schistosoma causes cancer of the urinary bladder. Which cancer? Squamous cell carcinoma urinary bladder, transitional cell carcinoma urinary bladder, both, none. Answer is both. If they ever say schistosoma causes squamous and transitional both, but obviously schistosoma is more commonly going to cause what? It is more commonly going to cause S for S, that is squamous. So agar both hua, please mark both. If you have to mark one best, you mark squamous cell carcinoma. So coming back, you will realize all trematodes will show you operculated egg, but trematodes ka exception kya hai? Schistosoma, which will show you the spinous eggs. Now coming to nematodes के worms, the last part, but nematode के जो है सिर्फ eggs नहीं चलेगा. You will also have to identify the worms. Have you all seen those questions in INI where they ask you कि worm, adult worm कैसा दिखता है? So that also we will do side by side. First you tell me the egg and then I will tell you the worm about it. So the first egg that we have is going to be the egg of Ascaris. Ascaris is nothing but roundworm, and of course roundworm is going to look round. The egg is going to look how? The egg is going to look round like this. So this is going to be the roundworm ka egg. Now tell me, how does the adult worm look like? The adult worm will also look round. Before I start, what you have to see always is, पहले फैमिली डिसाइड करो. राउंडवर्म है, हुकवर्म है, ट्राइक्यूरिस है या क्या है. फर्स्ट यू डिसाइड दैट एंड देन यू हैव टू डिसाइड विच वन इज मेल एंड विच वन इज फीमेल. मेल फीमेल का स्टोरी हमेशा सेम रहेगा. यू विल ऑलवेज सी दैट द फीमेल इज गोइंग टू बी समवॉट बिगर इन साइज. समटाइम्स यू विल से मैम दे विल नॉट गिव मी मेल फीमेल दोनों. आई वोंट बी एबल टू कंपेयर बिगर स्मॉलर. The second difference will be the male is going to have something on the posterior side which is going to be different. Usually the male posterior side is going to be very coiled. So I might sound very bad as I say it. I don't know how to put it in a right language. It might come across as a very double meaning bad language, but what you have to focus on and keep your eyes on in the exam is the back side of the male. Okay, back side of the male is what you have to focus on. Okay, which is that worm where the back side is getting a little different, it's coiled or it's bigger. That is the male wala worm. Okay, that is how you identify. So first you had to identify, why is this a round worm? It's a round worm because look at the body, the cross section of the body is totally round. It's a goal wala worm, it's not a flat, it's a round worm. And then which one is male? The, of course, focus on the back side. The back side is coiled, that is the male. So round worm is done. Now you come to the next, which is this one. This is known as Trichuris trichura. This is referred to as Trichuris trichura. What do you have to know in this? What are the eggs looking like? They are looking like barrel shaped eggs. They are looking like barrel shaped eggs. Very good. So now you have to tell me the adult worm. The adult worm, what do you mean by Trichuris trichura? What's the other name? Ma'am, it is also known as a whip worm. Whip means hunter. So the worm that is going to look like a hunter, I can see that one handle and then this is the hunter, then handle and then this is the hunter. Will you be able to identify the worm that looks like a whip or a hunter is going to be a whip worm? Once you've done that, now you have to do male female. Out of 1 and 2, can you tell me which is the male? As I told you, focus on the back side. The back side is coiled and that automatically becomes the male. So this is the male and the second one becomes the female. Simple हो गया ना. जहाँ ऐसे coiling back side पे कुछ दिखा, that is going to be the male part of it. Now imagine this is a hunter. So where does this go and put a hunter on our body? This is actually the rectum. Can you see on the rectum like hunters? They are sitting. These are the Trichuris trichura ka worms. Exactly. So please remember, I'm going to, in case you like coconut, I'm sorry, I'm ruining it for you. This is known as coconut cake rectum. This is known as coconut cake rectum. It looks like the rectum has those white flakes. Those white flakes are the worms. So those white flakes are said to be coconut. So they go like a hunter and sit on the coconut, on the rectum. So that is known as coconut cake rectum. Last class I ruined shish kebab for you. In case you liked eating it, today I have ruined coconut also for you. Coming to the next one. What is this egg? This egg on the other hand is going to have these multiple ओज मैम सिंगल एग नहीं है, अगर ध्यान से देखो एग के अंदर ऐसा गोला गोला बन रहा है. So what is this going to be? This is going to be the egg of the hookworm. This is going to be the egg of the hookworm, exactly. And the question that you get on hookworm, firstly, what is the other name for hookworm? It is going to be ankylostoma. How does it enter the skin? How does it enter the body? Hookworm is not something you have with dirty street food and water. No, hookworm is something that creeps into your skin. This is going to show you a skin penetration. So now before I proceed forward, all of you, the last year's question is what you will answer for me. Which are the parasites which are going to show you skin penetration? Can you tell me those parasites which are going to show you skin penetration? So one right now you told was ankylostoma. Another thing, parasite which loves the word S is always schistosoma. Ankylostoma, schistosoma and strongyloids. Ankylostoma, schistosoma and strongyloids, these are the ones which are going to show you skin penetration. Very, very important.